Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video, we're going to show you really quickly how you can manage, add or remove extensions to your Opera web browser really quickly. So let's get started right away. Launch the Opera web browser on your PC or laptop. And in the first step, I would recommend to enable extensions if you'd like to manage them here on from your sidebar, for example. As you can see, I'm giving access to extensions. So if you'd like to add these extensions to your sidebar, simply access your browser settings by clicking on these three lines in the top right corner, by scrolling down to the very bottom of that list, and by clicking on Go to Full Browser Settings. And inside your browser settings, simply use the search bar here at the top and type in extensions or extension, extend sidebar, and below simply manage your sidebar and add extensions to them here at the bottom. So make sure that you select or tick extensions. That is going to add extensions to your sidebar. Open a new tab and simply click on the extensions icon here on the left sidebar. And what you want to do after that, guys, is go through the list of already installed or added extensions. For instance, you may disable them by clicking or by switching them off here from enable to disable. So let me do that really quickly for demonstration purposes. What you may do also is add more extensions to your extensions list. If you like to do that, click on get more extensions here on the left side. And as you can see, you'll be automatically redirected to the Opera library of extensions. So simply browse through that list here on extensions. You may, for instance, filter the search results by recommended, top rated, or sidebar, privacy and security, and so on and so forth. And simply click on the extension you would like to install. So let me go for demonstration purposes with the Zoom extension. Click on it, read through the descriptions if you like, and if you'd like to add the given extension to your Opera web browser, simply click on that button in the top right corner. That is going to install the given extension and add it to your Opera web browser. Thank you for installing the Zoom extension. There you go. So now, guys, if I open Opera in a new tab and click on the extensions icon here at the bottom of the left sidebar, I will see the newly installed Zoom extension here listed. And as you can see, I may, for example, remove it or disable it or go through these options, allow, for instance, Zoom to work in incognito mode, and so on and so forth. And that's how you manage these extensions for your Opera web browser. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.